Namaste, dear friends. My name is Inaya, and today I'm taking you on a journey to the heart of Indian cuisine. Together, we'll prepare royal chicken biryani, a dish so fragrant and delicious that it was once served in the palaces of Maharajas. So, put on your finest sari or kurta, tune into the rhythm of Bollywood, and let's get cooking. What will we need? Ingredients bursting with the essence of India. 300 grams basmati rice, long, fluffy, and infused with the scent of faraway lands. 25 grams of butter, the essence of Indian cooking, a symbol of abundance. 1 large onion, finely chopped, the foundation of every great biryani. 1 bay leaf adds depth, like the stories we share over dinner. 3 cardamom pods, sweetly aromatic, like a whispered prayer. 1 cinnamon stick, as warm as the sun over the Taj Mahal. 1 teaspoon turmeric, the golden jewel of our kitchen, bringing health and beauty. 4 chicken breasts, cut into large chunks because every bite should be divine. 4 tablespoons Balti curry paste, bringing the true taste of India to your plate. 85 grams raisins, drops of sweetness that perfectly balance the spice. 850 milliliter chicken broth, deepens the flavor and binds all the ingredients together. 30 grams fresh coriander, half chopped, half left for a final garnish. 2 tablespoons toasted almonds, because royal dishes deserve royal ingredients. How to prepare biryani like a true kitchen master. First, soak the basmati rice in warm water. Then rinse it several times in cold water until it runs clear. This step is essential. Just as we cleanse our souls through prayer, we cleanse our rice with water. In a deep pot, melt the butter and gently saute the onion, bay leaf, cardamom, and cinnamon stick. The aroma that fills your kitchen will transport you to the narrow streets of Old Delhi, where biryani has been prepared for centuries. Add the turmeric, chicken, and curry paste. Saute until the spices beautifully infuse the meat, creating a scent so irresistible that your neighbors might start knocking on your door. Stir in the rice and raisins. The sweetness balances the spice, creating the perfect harmony of flavors, just like an Indian marriage. Then, pour in the broth. Cover the pot tightly and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for just 5 minutes. The secret to perfect biryani is precise timing. Turn off the heat, keep the lid on, and let the rice rest for another 10 minutes. In India, we say that patience brings sweet rewards, or in this case, the best biryani you've ever tasted. Finally, fluff up the biryani. Garnish with fresh coriander and toasted almonds, and voila! Serve it with a smile and love. Because food is the bridge that connects families and generations. A final piece of advice. Never underestimate the magic of an Indian woman. They say there are 2 types of women. Those who know how to cook, and those who know how to convince their husbands to order dinner from a restaurant. So no matter which category you belong to, the most important thing is love and the joy of good food. If you enjoyed today's recipe, let me know. And remember, every bite of biryani carries a piece of India's soul.